Alright guys, so we have a little video for you tonight. Multi-tools. Yeah, that's like cheap versus medium versus expensive. Let's get into it. So as you guys can see, this is the Ozark. This is all the tools that's on this side. Here's all the tools that's on this side. Spring loaded, baby. Needle nose pliers. Nothing fancy. So you got wire cutters on that too. Leatherman's super tool. Yippers. So there's all the tools on this side. All the tools on this side. You got needle nose pliers again. You got wire cutters and wire strippers. The difference between this one and this one is this one has tools does not lock. This one the tools lock. Listen to the sound. Now the only downside of this is there's no liner lock. And I can't push up on it with some pressure to get to it. The only way to do it is grab one of these tools and pull back in. Now with the medium price, you get a little bit better case that will hold a little bit more. So this is the nut driver. And these are the bits. So this is like this little plastic case. That's how you get on the Ozark. So you stick this bad boy in like this. You put a bit in. It goes 90. Then straight back up. And this one locks too. That's all fine and dandy. But there's a little bit better option out there. So you get a hammer, a bolt carrier opener, and seatbelt cutter. You get a carbon scraper, a punch, a knife, and a saw. That's just on the outside. Then on the inside, you get wire strippers again, wire cutters, you get a crimper, and you get needle nose pliers. Look at that bad boy. But this is a bit driver with, so I don't want to take out. This one will be better. A longer bit. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you next time.